Okay, as promised, how to operate a marine toilet. First, you open the seacock that allows the water to come in. Then, unlock the pump handle with a setting on the left side showing a white arrow, or what Jabsco, the manufacturer, call the wet pump. Now, pump several times until there may be a liter or maybe a quart of water in the bowl. Now you can sit down. Yes, Macho Man, you sit down. Everyone sits down because with the movement of the boat, you can't, just sit down, okay? Because I'm not cleaning up after you. When you're finished, turn the switch to the right, showing the black arrow, and pump it down. Check with the captain on how many times you have to pump, because you will have to pump until whatever you did gets into the holding tank. Otherwise, you'll be smelling it all afternoon and evening. The switch stays in the right position, showing the black bar, and then you lock the pump handle down and close the seacock. I'll send you a gift if you subscribe and like this video. It's a PDF showing the correct way to use a marine toilet. You can just print it out at home and then post it in the head for your visitors to see. Just email me at the address below. Thanks for watching, and my name is Alan Stokel.